How to buy Amazon Prime membership. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can buy Amazon Prime membership. So in order to buy Amazon Prime membership, you'll need to open up a web browser and in the web address bar type in amazon.prime.com, amazonprimevideo.com. Now this will direct you to the official page, and over here as you can see that I'm already logged in. In order to buy a Prime Video membership, you need to tap on the profile icon located right on top. In my case, I have a free trial, so now after you tap on the profile, go ahead and click on account settings, which is right over here. And this is going to take you to the account settings where you'll be able to see all of your information. As already mentioned that I don't have a subscription, you can see that I'm currently in a free trial period. You can see there is also a statement as you don't have a subscription to Prime Video. If you want to buy a subscription, you'll need first of all set up your payment method. So click set payment method, which is in the right hand side corner. Over here you'll be asked to provide card name and then number and all that, and click on the add your card button over here. As soon as you do that, if your card is valid enough, then you'll be able to buy a subscription. Otherwise there will be some kind of restrictions, so you need to go through it and then confirm the card accordingly. In this way you can buy Amazon Prime membership. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.